Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to do demo trading on Binance so you can practice and become a better trader. However, remember that demo trading is not same as live trading, as there will be significant differences in price fluctuations and other factors. To get started, go to the futures section, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then select mock trading. You will be asked to grant access to the testnet. Once you do that, you can start demo trading. You can buy with long and sell it with short. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.